Health advocate and cardiologist Dr. Willie Ong deals with one of the toughest battles of his life yet, as he undergoes the treatment for cancer. The 60-year-old internet personality, who bears the nickname of Doc Willie, shares the heartbreaking news on Facebook today, September 14, 2024. Doc Willie reveals in a video recorded on August 29, 2024, that he had been diagnosed with a 16 by 13 by 12 centimeter sarcoma located in his abdomen, which he now refers to as the worst pain in his life. Hidden behind his heart and positioned in front of his teeth and spine, the tumor has caused significant blockages in vital areas, including his esophagus, the inferior vena cava, and his right atrium. Ang bukol na ito, malaking-malaki daw. Isa sa pinakamalaki na nakita nila, he says, describing the severity of his condition. According to the World Health Organization, sarcoma is defined as a rare type of cancer that originates in the bones and soft tissues including muscles, fat, and nerves. Sarcomas are known for their diverse range and are often challenging to diagnose and treat. He recalls first experiencing symptoms around a year ago, including persistent back pain that worsened over time. Pagdating ng October 24, 2023, wala pang 1 year ago, doon ako nag-60th birthday. Senior ako. Wala pa ako gaanong nararamdaman, pero nung birthday ko around 8 months ago, doon ako nakaramdam ng back pain. Matagal na akong may back pain. Matagal na akong masakit ang likod, pero this time, biglang may masakit bandang dito sa taas. Ito mga butas na ito, mga biopsy. Biopsy 1, biopsy 2. Unang biopsy sa baba. Itong biopsy dito ang pinakamasakit. He adds, pero pag tinulugan mo, okay lang. Pag tinulugan mo siya, kaya. So that 8 months ago, 8 months siguro maybe up to a year, doon ko napansin, pag huminga ako, masakit. Kaya ko na lang humiga sa gabi, mga 2 to 3 hours. Kapag antok na antok lang talaga, doon lang ako nakakahiga. Pero pag higa ko, masakit dito. Pero iniisip ko, muscle pain lang yun. Matigas yung kama. Palitan yung mattress. Despite the initial medical assessments showing no significant issues, his condition deteriorated, leading to a critical admission to the hospital. His medical team has been swift in their response, performing various tests and biopsies to confirm the diagnosis. Fighting cancer is a challenging journey on its own, but Doc Willie also describes how he faces added stress from public scrutiny, including harsh online remarks and misinformation which he believes have worsened his condition. Saan ko nakuha to? Tingin ko sa stress. Kaya kayo, huwag kayong magbabasa ng mga komento sa Facebook, he warns. Na-stress ako sa mga comments. Na-stress ako sa mga bashers. Na-stress ako kasi hindi tunay lahat ng mga sinasabi. Despite these challenges, Doc Willie remains resolute in his commitment to battling cancer with the same vigor he has shown in his career. Sabi ng doktor ko, itong sarcoma, mahirap na kalaban. Isa sa pinakamahirap na cancer na kulang ang research. Kulang ang bagong gamot. Medyo miracle dapat. Dapat labanan daw ang cancer. Sabi niya, kainin mo lahat ng gusto mo. Sabi ko sa doktor, I'm ready to fight. Sabi ng doktor ko, kung may cancer ka, fight with me. Parang Pacquiao versus Marquez fight. Palakas ka. Tayo si Pacquiao, magpalakas ka at kumain ng marami. Magpalakas ka kasi marami kang chemo. Positive lang, walang negative. He relates. Finally, he declares with determination, I have a large abdominal cancer. It is serious, but I will fight this battle. Para sa lahat ng cancer patients ng Pilipinas, gagaling tayo ng sabay-sabay. As Doc Willie continues his treatment, he remains hopeful and appreciative of the outpouring of love and support. He reflects, If you can feel that people around you love you, you want to go on and fight this challenge for them. But if you feel that people hates you, then what is the reason for going on?